Replace Photoshop with NanoBanana. What if I told you there's a way to get Google's most powerful AI image editor, completely free, no login required, and with unlimited usage? While everyone else is paying monthly subscriptions for Photoshop or waiting in queues for other AI tools, I'm about to show you the exact method to access NanoBanana with zero restrictions. In the next few minutes you'll learn the step-by-step process to replace Photoshop with Google's NanoBanana, and here's the best part, it requires absolutely no sign-ups, no credit cards, and gives you unlimited generations. But here's the catch, you must watch this video completely to understand the specific trick and process involved, because missing even one step will break the entire method. First, a quick note, Google AI Studio gives free access but with limited credits. The unlimited route uses a public interface that exposes Gemini 2.5 Flash image, also known as NanoBanana, without accounts or caps. Stay with this step by step so the method works flawlessly. This isn't just another tutorial, this is the exact workflow I use daily to edit images professionally without paying a single cent. We're going to cover the secret access point, the right model selection, and the specific prompts that give you Photoshop-level results. Let's jump straight into getting you set up with free NanoBanana access. First thing, open an incognito window. This is not optional. The method I'm about to show you only works in incognito mode. In your incognito window, search for LM Arena and go to lmarena.ai. You'll see a page that looks like this. At the top of the page, click on Battle, then select Direct Chat. And then near the chat area click on Generate Image, this activates the image generation capabilities. At the top, make sure Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview is selected. That's NanoBanana. If you see any other model, switch to this one immediately. Now let's see what makes this tool so powerful compared to traditional Photoshop workflows, and I'm going to show you exactly why this completely changes the game. In Photoshop, a simple background replacement takes 30+ minutes of complex masking, layer adjustments, and color matching. With NanoBanana, you literally just describe what you want and it's done in 30 seconds. No technical skills, no complicated tools, no monthly subscription fees. Let me prove this to you with real examples. Let's ask it to create a selfie of a young man at beach. Let's paste the selfie again. You may also upload any casual photo of yours. Watch this. I'll type create a professional studio shot with soft lighting of the same person for LinkedIn profile picture. Hit generate. And in 30 seconds, we've got a LinkedIn-ready headshot that would cost $200 plus from a professional photographer. In Photoshop, this would require precision masking, multiple adjustment layers, and perfect color matching to make it look professional. Let's use the same man image in the market this time. In Photoshop, you'd use content-aware fill, clone stamp, spend 20 minutes manually retouching. Let's type remove people from the background. Done. If you want to add something, let's type add a large flying dinosaur in the background, taking out fire from his mouth. In Photoshop, you'd spend 20 minutes manually retouching. Now let's do product photography color variants. Upload a picture of your product and just type, change jacket color to red. Watch how it maintains perfect lighting, shadows, and textures while making these changes instantly. Now this is where NanoBanana gets insane. Upload multiple images and say, combine these naturally. It handles layer masking, blend modes, lighting adjustments automatically. Look at this, person, product, background, perfectly composited in one prompt. This would take hours in Photoshop with advanced masking techniques. But here's where it gets even better, NanoBanana can do things Photoshop simply cannot. You can ask it to do anything. NanoBanana maintains your exact facial features, expressions, and identity across unlimited scenarios. You can build scenes progressively, adding elements step by step. And for e-commerce and fashion, this is huge, as I showed you. Just upload a product photo and a person's photo, then say, show this jacket on this person, instant professional product photography. No models, no photo shoots, no expensive staging. Now here's the trick for unlimited usage, as I promised. After a certain number of generations you may get a cooldown message, just like we get in ChatGPT, asking you to wait before generating again. But here's the simple hack: just close that incognito window and open a fresh one. Go back to NanoBanana.ai, select your settings again, and you're back to unlimited generations. You can do this endless number of times. There's no limit to how many fresh incognito windows you can open. That's how you replace Photoshop entirely with NanoBanana, completely free and unlimited, no technical skills required, and with capabilities that surpass traditional editing software. Start experimenting with these workflows, and you'll never look back.